everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for another video. This time we're going to be doing the February Paycheck 1 and our second account budget. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in just one moment. Okay, we're going to do things a little bit differently this time. We're going to actually start with the second account because I put part of the second account. Well, no, that was for January's, huh? So I guess, yeah, okay, I guess I will go ahead and do, because I haven't had to do February's yet. I just did January's. Okay, so yeah, let's go back and let's go ahead and start with our February Paycheck 1. So we got a total of 1731 plus 1053, and that's going to leave us a total of 2784 for our starting income. So we're starting with 300 for envelopes as per usual. Mortgage, which is 1933 is what we budget. Adobe, we budget 25. We do for electricity 120. Ooh, is that what I did for February? I think it actually needs to be more after I think about it. Because I think I actually already got my bill for February. So let me go and, because I don't want to have to go over, let me go and check and see what that bill looked like. Now, who do I get my electricity from? I don't even remember. Oh my goodness. I need to know that so I can see what the bill amount is. Oh, here it is. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Okay, it needs to be 134. So I'm gonna have to redo my budget. Oh my gosh, y'all. I need it to be 134, which means I need $14 more. So 134. Let's see. Okay. Trying to think of what I could possibly pull from, because I think everything is like very specific. I would normally pull from, I bet you I don't have to make a trash payment. I'm going to pull from trash, honestly. Okay, so 134 for electricity. Water, we're going to make it 90. Student loans, 55. Trash, we're going to make that, we're going to pull 5 from cushion because I'm not able to pull any from, so that means we only need maybe I could put my cushion on my next one because that would be 10, then we'd only need 4. We could pull 4 from trash. Let's put 5 from trash, 5 from cushion. Let's just take the cushion out. We'll have to put cushion on the other one. So we're not adding any to cushion. We're gonna make this one. So we take that out and then 4. So 51 is what we're gonna put. Okay, there we go, found it. Okay. Student loans 55. We're gonna make trash 51. We'll do Banfield as 54. We'll do business as 105. Or 40, I'll make sure that's right. Cushion, oh, cushion doesn't get anything. And then travel gets 37, okay. I have already spent that 37, which is why I was like, I cannot pull any money from that because I've already spent it. All right, let's add this up and make sure this equals that 2784. So 300 plus 1933 plus 25 plus 134 plus 90 plus 55 plus 51 plus 54 plus 105 plus 37. 2784. Perfect. Okay, zeroed out. All right, so this paycheck is done. Now, let's go to our second paycheck, which this one is always the same. 1178. And we have car wash, which is 15. Car maintenance, which is 50. Annual, which is 50. Stocks, which is 5. And cushion, which is 5. Let's add that one up and see what we have left over. Oopsie. Okay. So we have 15 plus 50 plus 50 plus 5 plus 5, 125. 1178 minus 125 equals 1053. And we will pull that 1053 out. And we will put that into our other account to pay our mortgage when that's done. Okay, so the only thing we have left to do now is we need to go and put our 105 into our envelope for my business. Okay, so I recently just put my bath salts and my, oh, y'all see some of my cards. Y'all never get to see any of my business stuff really. My bath salts and my incense into a local shop. So that's fun. What? Oh, now I feel confused. I did January's, right? Did I not do my January budget? Oh, wait a minute. I thought I did. This is also, y'all never get to see this one. Oh, yeah, I did. I did this one. I did my January one. Here's February. So then what is in the budget income? What is in here? What is this? 1, 2. What is this supposed to be? This is not supposed to be budget. I'm thinking this is supposed to be closeout income, maybe? This is a lot of money. 10, 20, 20, 30. Wait. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. I don't know what that's supposed to be. I don't feel like I did any work, so maybe it's closeout income? I guess I'll put it over here with closeout income, because I'm like, that's not enough for budget income, and this is budget income, so I'll put it in the closeout income and leave it at that. Okay, so here's the 105 for actual budget income. Wow. I don't know where that money's supposed to go. Huh, interesting. Oh well, we'll figure it out at the end of the month when I do my budget for my business, and then when I have to actually put February's money away. So, interesting. All right, so I put all of that into, if I can get it in there, I usually don't have such a hard time. Put all that into here, and then when it's time for me to do my budget for my business, I have some of these I need to put up. I have this one where I actually keep some of the monies. Then I just do that. Okay. And then these all go into their own folder. All right, so that's everything. That's this budget. It's a really quick one, nice and quick and easy, which I love. So our next video after this, that's a budget video, will be probably closeout. It'll probably be the closeout for the month, and then I need to do a savings and a budget, a savings and a debt update. And then we'll do our February paycheck too. I can't believe it. I can't believe we're already into February. Ooh, this year is flying by. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you're having a great year, and I hope you're having a great month, and I will see you all later. Bye-bye.